Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you very easy and quick recipe. I'm going to make today garbanzo bean. We call it kabli chole or chitte chole, and I'm going to do it with sweet peas. The chickpeas, I'm going to open it. You can open with the hand. You can always take advantage of the machine. It's really easy and fast to do it if you have the machine. Otherwise you always can open it with the hand as I have shown to you. I'm going to drain the water and I'm going to wash it with the cold water. And this is going to be oil-free, oil-less cooking, and it will be healthy snack. So I have 2 cups, 1 cup peas. As for the spices, I'm going to use the Degi made amchur powder, which is mango powder. You can use always fresh lemon juice. Dry cilantro, which is the dhania, mango powder, salt, Degi made, black pepper, half teaspoon each, 1 teaspoon cilantro. Get a mixing bowl. The best way to do it, bring all the dry ingredients, spices, mix them. Once all the spices are combined together, I'm going to take them out. I'm going to bring the garbanzo beans and sweet peas. You can use the sweet peas fresh, but these are frozen. And just combine them. Spices we combine together, I'm going to sprinkle them all over. Just like that, and then keep mixing. So we're going to put it again and mix it well. Keep mixing. This is all we need to do. So I'm going to use the air fryer. Garbanzos and sweet peas, we're going to put it in. And we're going to make sure that they are spreaded evenly. So we're going to cook them in air fryer for 10 minutes. And we're going to cook them, and I'm going to turn them on at 400 degree Fahrenheit to 10 minutes. It's already started. After 5 minutes, I'm going to open it and then we're going to shake it. So make sure that the bottom ones, you bring it on top, and I'll share with you. It's exactly 5 minutes. I'm going to open it. Look at these. And now this is what I was saying. We're going to shake them. And now we're going to put it back again. We're going to put it back and it's going to start itself. And it's going to start from the 5 minutes where it left off. It's 1 more minute to go. We're almost done. It's all done, and we're going to wait for the final beep, and it's already beeping. Ready. Look at this. Delicious and quick and easy to make snack. Take the basket out. See how they crunchy they are. Our quick and easy garbanzo beans with the sweet pea snack is ready. They are so tasty and super delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this dish, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.